Good afternoon, friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. So, friends, I have breaking news today, and please make sure that you watch for these new dates. Lawmakers in Congress are planning to send out new checks worth up to $2,000 to eligible Americans, but some individuals may receive a smaller check than others, and this is due to new changes. Friends, here is everything that you need to know about the fourth stimulus checks. And please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Dear friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the gift card. And in a video later today, I'll be announcing the winner, so please stay tuned for that video.
According to the Fed's own analysis of these rules, the Fed's fund rate should currently be above 6%. This is in a report to Congress. Yet the rate currently stands at 1.6%. Likewise, these same rules should have prompted the Fed to begin raising rates Q4 last year, Q1 this year. I'm concerned that the Fed has opted out of rules-based to discretionary monetary policy. As the Fed reviews monetary policy strategy, Chair Powell, will you commit to considering an increased weight for a rules-based strategy in Fed decision-making, and if not, why?
We do use policy rules like the various forms of the Taylor rule in all of the analysis that we do. If you're thinking about how monetary policy will affect the economy, you have to have some sort of a rule like that. Fed has never really used them in a prominent way to actually set policy in real time. But that's not to say they don't shed light, and we do consult them. We consult them on an ongoing basis. The rules called for deeply negative rates during the pandemic, and we didn't do that.
Friends, here is the big update on President Biden's economic agenda. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell laid down an ultimatum for Democrats this week. Congress has been working on the competitiveness package for more than a year now, and Democrats desperately want to pass its $52 billion in domestic semiconductor funding before the midterm elections. But Mitch McConnell said he would deprive that legislation of necessary Republican support, and Democrats are still pushing for a fourth stimulus package. For millions of U.S. parents, the enhanced child tax credit was a major financial relief in 2021. But when it ended this past January, the proportion of children in poverty increased from 12.1% to 17%, putting nearly 4 million children below the poverty line. Now with inflation on the rise, as well as gas and grocery prices, several states are planning to send families more money this year. States are deciding if they'll provide money to families who are in need. So far, 13 states are planning to enact a state child tax credit or offer deductions for households with children. Only one of those states is pending governor approval. California families who earn less than $25,000 a year are eligible to receive $1,000, either as a reduced state tax bill or a refund. Those earning between $25,000 and $30,000 a year would receive a reduced credit. The credit is only available for children under age 6, and the family must qualify for the California Earned Income Tax Credit. Democratic Governor Jared Polis, state legislators, and members of Colorado's federal delegation have also discussed plans to distribute federal funds from the American Rescue Plan Act. Colorado is set to receive $3.8 billion in state aid as part of the plan. Governor Polis stated that the package unveiled has been a collaborative effort involving state and local governments, along with the private sector. The package includes $1.3 billion, which is a full third of the funding, to shore up Colorado's budget and to ensure the state's fiscal footing is strong. But there are other proposals from lawmakers in Congress. A proposal from Representative Ro Khanna, who's a Democrat from California, and Senator Sheldon Whitehouse, a Democrat from Rhode Island, would provide a quarterly rebate to consumers based on tax levied on oil and gas companies. The big oil windfall profits tax would charge a per barrel tax equal to 50% of the difference between the current price of a barrel of oil and its pre-crisis average price between the years 2015 and 2019. And this is according to statement from the lawmakers. Ro Khanna and Sheldon Whitehouse have calculated that if the per barrel price sits at $120, this tax would raise about $45 billion a year, providing single filers with $240 annually and joint filers with $360 each year. Representative Ro Khanna said in a statement, "These companies have made billions and use the profits to enrich their own shareholders, while average Americans are hurting at the pump." So friends, what are your thoughts on this? And what do you think our government needs to do to lower gas prices? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. The child tax rebate, which was recently authorized by the Connecticut General Assembly and signed into law by Governor Ned Lamont, is intended to help Connecticut families with children. You may be eligible for a child tax rebate of up to a maximum of $750. That is $250 per child up to 3 children. Low-income workers will also be receiving some extra money from the state of Massachusetts very soon. About 500,000 low-income workers will receive a $500 payment from the state next month as part of the $4 billion crisis relief bill that was signed by Governor Baker. Eligibility is based on your 2020 state tax returns. Governor Baker said that this money would help support people, mostly in minimum wage positions, who continue to work throughout the crisis to serve their communities. The program will be funded by the federal government through the American Rescue Plan Act. The key word for this video is daffodil. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is daffodil, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. And friends, the more videos that you comment on with its keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Workers who receive unemployment compensation in 2020 will not be eligible in the first round of payments. A second round of checks will be announced by the state at a later date. Well, my amazing and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here and watching these videos. I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and safe July 4th weekend.